Good morning, students. I am Sunil Kumar from Loyola School, Harnav.
I am going to discuss about some examples and exercise 1.2. Consider the numbers 4 to the power n, where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n which 4 to the power n ends with the digit 0. कोई भी नंबर के यूनिट डिजिट 0 होने के लिए उस नंबर का फैक्टर्स 2 और 5 होना चाहिए, तभी वह नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट 0 होगा। सॉल्यूशन: इफ 4 to the power n ends with 0, then it must have 5 as a factor. But 4 to the power n equal to 2 square to the power n equal to 2 to the power 2n equal to 2 into 2 into dot 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 2n times, since n is a natural number. Therefore 2 is only prime factor of 4 to the power n. So 5 is not a factor of 4 to the power n. Hence 4 to the power n can never end with the digit 0. Exercise 1.2. Question number 5. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. कोई भी नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट 0 होने के लिए उस नंबर का फैक्टर्स 2 और 5 होना चाहिए, तभी वह नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट 0 होगा। सॉल्यूशन: इफ 6 to the power n ends with 0, then it must have 5 as a factor. What 6 to the power n equal to 2 into 3 to the whole power n equal to 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into dot 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 n times into 3 into 3 into 3 dot 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 into n times, since n is a natural number. Therefore 2 and 3 are only prime factors of 6 to the power n. So 5 is not a factor of 6 to the power n. Hence 6 to the power n can never end with the digit 0. Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Solution: since 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, इस स्टेप में 13 को कॉमन करते हैं, इक्वल टू 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1 equal to 13 into 77 plus 1 equal to 13 into 78. The given number has more than 2 factors, hence it is a composite number. Again, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5, इस स्टेप में 5 को कॉमन करते हैं, इक्वल टू 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 5 into 1008 plus 1 equal to 5 into 1009. The given number has more than 2 factors, hence it is a composite number. Question number 7. There is a circular path around a sport field. Sonia takes 80 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Solution. Since 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 2 into 3 square, and 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 2 square into 3. LCM of 18 and 12 equal to product of prime factors with highest power equal to 2 square into 3 square equal to 4 into 9 equal to 36. Hence, Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point after 36 minutes. Some important questions. Question number 1. Prove that x and y are both odd positive integer. Then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. Solution. We know that any odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1 for some integer q. So, let x is equal to 2m plus 1 and y is equal to 2n plus 1 for some integers m and n. So, x square plus y square equal to 2m plus 1 to the whole square plus 2n plus 1 to the whole square. By using formula a plus b का whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus y square equal to 2m to the whole square plus 2 into 2m into 1 plus 1 square plus 2n to the whole square plus 2 into 2n into 1 plus 1 square. X square plus y square is equal to 4m square plus 4m plus 1 plus 4n square plus 4n plus 1. X square plus y square is equal to 4m square plus 4n square plus 4m plus 4n plus 1 plus 1. X square plus y square equal to 4 into m square plus n square plus 4 into m plus n plus 2. X square plus y square is equal to 4 into m square plus n square plus m plus n plus 2. X square plus y square equal to 4q plus 2, where q is equal to m square plus n square plus m plus n. So x square plus y square is even and leaves remainder 2 when divided by 4. Hence, x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. रफ में 4q plus 2 को 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 2 आता है, सिंस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू नॉट 0. So 4q plus 2 is not divisible by 4. रफ में 4q plus 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. So 4q plus 2 is an even. रफ में let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So x square plus y square is equal to 1 square plus 3 square equal to 1 plus 9 equal to 10. So 10 is an even number, but 10 is not divisible by 4. Assignment: solve. Question number first. Explain why 3 into 5 into 7 plus 7 is a composite number. Question number 2. If two positive integers a and b are written as a equal to x cube into y square and v equal to x into y cube, x and y are prime numbers, then SCF of a and b equal to what? Thank you.